In today's video, we're talking about the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide, and Galaxy Z Flip 8, all of which just appeared in realistic dummy images, giving us our clearest look yet at Samsung's upcoming foldables. So let's break it down. Samsung's next generation foldables are expected to launch this July, and thanks to aluminum dummy units shared by leaker Sonny Dixon, we now have a much better idea of what these devices will actually feel like in real life. Starting with the Galaxy Z Fold 8, it looks like Samsung is sticking with its familiar design language. When folded, it's still tall and narrow, giving you that classic smartphone feel on the cover screen. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 also continues its legacy, compact, stylish, and super portable. It features a full-view cover screen and unfolds into a standard slab phone experience, which is perfect for everyday use. But the real game changer here is the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. This is a completely new addition to Samsung's lineup. Unlike the regular Fold, the wide version is shorter in height but noticeably wider, almost like a passport when folded. And when you open it up, it transforms into a mini tablet with a much better aspect ratio for watching videos, browsing, and multitasking. Interestingly, this design looks very similar to what we've seen from Google's Pixel Fold, suggesting Samsung might finally be experimenting with different foldable form factors. Samsung is expected to officially unveil all of these devices at the Unpacked event on July 22nd in London, alongside the Galaxy Watch 9 series and the new One UI 9 based on Android 17. So yeah, this could be one of Samsung's biggest foldable upgrades in years. Now I want to hear from you. Which one would you choose? The classic Fold, the compact Flip, or the new wide version? Drop your answer in the comments below, and if you want to stay updated with all the latest Samsung leaks, tips, and hidden features, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because you don't want to miss what's coming next.